Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download images and icons from a Figma file using the export section in the right sidebar. First, to download a single element, select the image, icon, or layer directly on the canvas or from the Layers panel. Then go to the right sidebar under the Design tab and scroll down to the Export section. Click the plus icon to add an export setting. Choose your format depending on what you need. Use PNG or JPG for images and SVG for icons, since it's a scalable vector format. You can also choose the scale, like 1x or 2x for higher resolution. Once everything is set, click the Export button and choose where to save the file on your computer. If you want to download multiple elements at once, hold Shift and select all the items you need, then configure the export settings the same way. You can also use the Global Export shortcut, Shift plus Control plus E on Windows, or Shift plus Command plus E on Mac. This opens a window showing all elements in the file that have export settings enabled. Click Export, and Figma will download everything together in a zip file. There are also alternative methods. You can right-click on an object, go to Copy Paste As, and choose Copy as PNG or Copy as SVG to paste it directly into another tool. And if you need to export a large number of icons, you can use plugins like Figma Icon Exporter or Icon Crab to speed up the process. And that's it. That's how you quickly and efficiently download images and icons from Figma.